If you want to create a high converting Skool sales page, but you're not sure how to set it up properly, this quick Skool explainer is exactly what you need. Stick around because I'll walk you through the process step by step, and at the end, I'll also show you some alternative platforms that might be even better for your needs. Plus, I've got an exclusive extended free trial just for you. First, let's get straight into it. Inside Skool, your sales page is basically your community landing page. To customize it, go to Settings and GT Sales Page. Here, you can edit the headline, sub-headline, and description. These need to clearly communicate the transformation people will get by joining. Skool keeps it simple, which is great for ease of use, but it also means customization is quite limited. Next thing, your pricing. Skool allows you to set up free or paid communities, but it only supports one price point for community. No upsells, no downsells, no tiered memberships. If you need flexible pricing or multiple offers, Skool might not be the best fit. The third thing, your call to action. Skool lets you add a simple CTA button, but it doesn't offer much in terms of design customization. You can embed a checkout link, but there's no built-in checkout system. That means you'll need Stripe, DriveCart, or another external payment processor to handle transactions. The fourth thing, branding. While you can add a logo, change colors, and tweak a few design elements, Skool doesn't allow advanced page customization. You're locked into their template, which might work well if you want simplicity, but if you're looking for something more dynamic, this could be a deal breaker. The last thing, SEO and AMP, analytics. Skool pages are not SEO friendly. You can't optimize meta descriptions, keywords, or URL structures. And while it integrates with Google Analytics, you don't get deep insights or conversion tracking built in. If traffic and optimization matter, you might want to look at other options. So, is Skool the best choice? It's super easy to use, but if you need more customization, better sales page design, or built-in payments, you might want to check out some better alternatives. I've linked an exclusive and AMP extended free trial to the best options below, including Skool and some competitors that offer more flexibility for building a high-converting sales page. Check it out now while the offer is still available.